Welcome to uniblade.co.uk. In this video I'm going to tell you a little bit about our UniTrap waterless trap. It's a new innovative product that saves space under baths, shower trays, basins, bidets, whatever tricky situation you've got. This is going to save you a lot of space. And how does it work? Well, it's a waterless trap, as if we take this apart, inside the body of this trap is it's a waterless trap, so there's a membrane, and it just, as water passes through, the flap inside raises and closes again, which will stop smells coming back up, and that's why you don't need any water in the trap. So let's show you how you can fit it to all these different components. So if you need to fit it to a basin, for example, or a bidet, you'll find that on the underside of the basin or the bidet, there's 1.25 inch thread off of the waste, which will be there when the basin's fitted. This part of the trap here is designed to screw straight onto that thread. So that will screw straight on to basin thread or a bidet or anything that uses 1.25 inch waste. If, for example, you need to use the UniTrap in a shower tray situation or a bath, because obviously there's going to be not a lot of space under baths or shower trays, the thread on that waste is a bit bigger. It's 1.5 inches. So what you do is you take the bush out like that, and the thread there will go straight onto either of those situations too. The UniTrap can also be fitted in line, which is what makes it so unique. And the way you do that is you can simply detach the elbow from the fitting at this point. So you unscrew the elbow from the fitting there. Now this can go directly onto the bath or the shower tray straight down. You can unscrew the bush from the elbow here, which is this piece, if you need it to go onto a basin, and that will screw directly onto there, or a bidet or anything with 1.25 inch thread. And the other unique thing about this is you can fit it on pipe in line, running horizontally. So the way you do that is you can connect pipe from this end directly, and we'll show you how to do that in a moment. And then you can buy a fitting to fit onto this thread that will take you to pipe at that on this side of it as well. Any plumbing shop will have a fitting that will adapt that, and it's only a very cheap fitting. But what you need to ensure is that the top is at the top, because the membrane has to be this way up to work on that horizontal situation. So it fits 1.25 inch and 1.5 inch pipe, which is the commonly used waste pipe for basins and baths, shower trays, that sort of thing. So let's show you how you adapt it to fit either or. It's important to say that it needs to be solvent weld pipe and not push fit pipe. Push fit pipe is of a slightly different diameter, and solvent weld pipe is the most commonly used in the plumbing market. So let's show you how, first of all, the waste fits onto 1.25 inch. So we've got 1.25 inch pipe here, a little sample of it. So all you need to do is take off the nut, and this is the end where the water is going to be flowing out of. And you take the nut off, you feed the pipes directly into the washer that's already in the fitting, and that will slide in, and then the nut does up over, and you do it nice and tight, and that will grip the 1.25 inch pipe. If it's 1.5 inch pipe, you simply swap the thick rubber washer that's already in the fitting. In this instance, what we do is we put the nuts and the other washer, which is loose in the pack, over the pipe like this. Bearing in mind you've got the conical edge, or the beveled edge, should I say, pointing towards the fitting. It's really important. And then when you slide that in, the beveled edge fits into the fitting nicely, and you tighten up nice and tight. Hand tight, you don't need to use grips, otherwise you'll damage the fitting. Nice and hand tight, and that will be nice and watertight for you. And that's how you fit it to both waste pipes.